Hello. Today, let's have a nice comparison video against two nice devices. Today we are comparing two of the best Android flagship smartphones available so far. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Oh, yo. We will compare everything what matters. Design, display, performance, camera, battery life, charging, AI features, software, and of course, which phone offers a better value for our money. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which flagship is the better choice for your need. Let's get started with that. Okay, both smartphones feels incredible premium and are built with a flagship quality materials. The Galaxy S26 Ultra continues Samsung iconic Ultra design with the flat edges, an integrated S Pen, and a very professional appearance. The Honor Magic 8 Pro follows a different philosophy. It features rounded corners, curved edges for a more comfortable grip, a stylish circular camera module, a sleek modern design. And the Samsung comes with integrated S Pen, Gorilla Glass Armor 2, premium aluminum frame, Elegant Ultra design, excellent durability. Good facts. The Honor Magic 8 comes with comfortable rounded edge design, premium materials, IP6, 9-watt and dust resistant, and excellent ergonomics. Yeah, if productivity is your priority, Samsung has the advantage thanks to the built-in S Pen. If comfort and one-handed handling matters more, the Honor Magic 8 Pro feels slightly better in your hand. Let's go to the display. Both displays, absolute nice. Galaxy baby, 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED, LTPO technology, up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, UHD Plus with Volution, anti-reflection display coating, outstanding outdoor visibility. The Honor, 6.7 inches LTPO OLED, up to 120 frames possible. Hard. That's nice too. Extremely high peak brightness and an excellent HDR performance. Multiple eye comfort features are included. Both displays are among the very best available on the market. The Samsung offers, of course, after high resolution, better anti-glare technology, more natural color toning. The Honor impresses, but with incredible brightness, excellent HDR content, comfortable viewing for a long period of time. So you see, both are really close together. Let's go to the performance, babe. Performance of flagship level on both. No matter where you are, gaming, editing 4K or 8K videos, multitasking, using AI features, running demanding apps, both phones handles everything, benchmarks, nice and effortlessly. Maybe a little bit the Samsung delivers a slightly higher benchmark scores. However, in the real-world use, the difference is almost impossible to notice. For everyday performance, both are exceptionally fast. Let's go to the software experience. This is where the biggest difference should come to the beginning. The Samsung offers a Galaxy AI, Samsung DES, good lock customization, S Pen productivity tools, advanced multitasking, 7 years of software updates. One of the Android's most major software experience. But on the other side, the Honor comes with Android 16, most animations, modern user interface, AI-powered productivity features, full Google services, or long software updates too. Samsung delivers the richer software ecosystem. Honor provides a cleaner and more lightweight Android experience as well. Let's go to the camera. The camera is really the king there. Now, let's talk about it. This is the probably biggest reason many people buy these phones. Because the main camera, both phones provide incredible images. We have the Samsung Sight, natural colors, excellent HDR, outstanding details, reliable exposure, consistent visuals scores. The Honor, very vibrant images, fantastic dynamic range, excellent portrait photos, and strong low light performance. Both cameras ranks among the best flagship smartphones camera which are available so far right now. But the ultra-wide camera makes a good job. Both comes performance exceptionally well. The Samsung has a slight advantage in detail attention, color resistancy, and dynamic range. Then the zoom monsters. The Galaxy S26 multiple telescopic cameras, outstanding visibility, excellent long-range zoom, and great stabilization. Space zoom is really nice, but the Honor Magic 8, high-resolution periscopic camera, outstanding detail, excellent low-light zoom, very sharp images. Let's get the moon nearly. Samsung remains the more versatile zoom camera. I think that drop nearly. The Honor delivers surprisingly impressive image quality, especially in medium zoom ranges, and super zoom is the king. It really looks really nice. Okay, let's go to video. Video creators, Samsung still takes the lead there. The Galaxy S26, 8K recording, 4K up to 120 frames. Better image stabilization, faster autofocus, more professional looking footage, excellent microphone performance. If you create YouTube videos or social media content, Samsung remains one of the best Android smartphones which is available. Yes, because on the Honor, I think it's a little bit too much high. The white is too white out a little bit. Battery, baby. Battery is excellent, of course, in both devices. Yes. However, the Honor has a noticeable advantage there, because it comes with a larger battery, extremely fast while charging, and ultra-fast wireless charging, and outstanding endurance. Galaxy, on the other side, excellent battery optimization. It's reliable LTE battery life, slower charging speeds, and better software optimization. If charging speed is important, Honor clearly wins. If software optimization matters more, Samsung remains at excellence. AI features, big thing. The artificial intelligence has become one of the biggest selling points of flagship smartphones on the market. Samsung comes live translate, circle to search, writing assistant, photo editing, audio editing, video editing, AI image generation. You can make them by prompt, productivity tools, and. Honor comes with an AI photography, smart image editing, AI productivity tools, intelligent search, AI resistant system features. Samsung, of course, currently provides more complete AI ecosystem on the market. And then let's go to the price and the value. Price is another important factor, of course, because the Honor Magic 8 Pro usually costs significantly less. For the price, you can still get excellent camera, fantastic display, huge battery, and ultra-fast charging and flagship performance. Samsung is much more expensive, but you get included S Pen, Samsung DeX, better video recording, long software support, larger ecosystem, and more advanced productivity features. So, whoa. Finally, buy the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Buy this if you create YouTube videos, record lots of videos, want the S Pen, need maximum productivity, want the most complete Android flagship experience. Samsung's king. Buy the Honor Magic 8 Pro if you want outstanding value for money. Prefer for more comfortable design, need a fast charging, want excellent photography, care about the battery life, and prefer a cleaner Android experience. So which flagship would you choose? I would choose the Samsung. Let me know this in the comments below, please. And of course, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.